Never thought I could say this, but I can tow with the motorcycle. Saints Row for PS5. And yes, this is a for real thing. I can tow with a motorcycle on a game. I'm currently towing a toxic waste truck. And boy, is the trigger sensitive. I am literally having to force the trigger to drive this thing. PS5. I don't own the console. It's my brother's. But I never thought I'd actually say today I'm actually going to be towing with a motorcycle. Like, what in the... It's just... Okay then. Okay. Towing with the motorcycle. What else?